The life cycle of a frog. Have you ever wondered how a tadpole becomes a frog?
Let's find out!
Frogs start off as eggs. They are surrounded by thick goo that covers the eggs to protect them. A tadpole starts to form in the egg. The tadpole develops gills for breathing, 2 eyes, a mouth, and a tail. After 7 to 9 days, the tadpole is ready to hatch. Hatching is when the tadpole breaks out of their egg. After 10 to 12 days of being hatched, the tadpole is ready to swim around. Now that the tadpole can swim, they search for food. The tadpole eats plants under the water. Sometimes they even eat other tadpoles. Now that the tadpole is starting to get bigger, they begin to grow back legs to help them kick and swim in the water. Once the tadpole's back legs are developed, their front legs grow. Now that the tadpole has front and back legs, they develop lungs. Lungs let the tadpole breathe outside of the water. After 12 weeks, the tadpole has developed back legs, front legs, and lungs. The tadpole can live on land. The tadpole becomes a froglet. When a tadpole becomes a froglet, their tail starts to shrink because the froglet can swim with their back and front legs. The froglet now eats insects and catches food underwater. After 13 to 16 weeks, the froglet then becomes a
Frog!
So remember, frogs start off in eggs surrounded by thick goo. They become tadpoles inside of their eggs. When the tadpoles are ready, they hatch from their eggs. The tadpole begins to develop their back legs. Then the tadpole begins to develop their front legs. Once the tadpole's back and front legs are developed, their tail begins to shrink, making them a froglet. After 13 to 16 weeks, the tadpole is now a frog.